So how do you get to keep the audio messages on iPhone? Let's get it started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so the messages by default have this auto expiration, right? So they are set to expire after 2 minutes. So in order to keep them indefinitely, you need to change the settings, right? So you find it inside of the main settings app, where at the bottom you should be able to find the apps section, right? And from those apps, you'll be able to see the messages in there. You can also use like the search or use the like letters on the side to quickly go through it. But basically from the settings, what you need to do is to locate the audio messages, right? So you should be able to find it right there. First of all, we have the audio messages, which are set to expire after 2 minutes, right? So you can set it to never, which is something a lot of people would prefer. So that's pretty useful, but that's not the whole story or the whole picture, because above that we have the message history in a general, right? So in there you get to decide how long all of your messages are going to be kept for, right? So you have the 30 days, 1 year, or forever, right? So even if you keep the audio messages, they might still be gone with all of the other random texts after a year or 30 days. So I would recommend you to set it for the forever option. Just keep in mind that the messages will then accumulate and just take up more storage. But at the end of the day, I guess it's better to have those messages than to make them disappear, right? So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos.